Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 2 of the money and credit multiple choice questions and short question and answers. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you are, please do subscribe, like and share. And for all the relevant chapters which you want to check, please do check the playlist in my channel. Let's quickly begin the parts 2. Dash is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with banks, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. तो ये क्वेश्चन है कि जो पैसे लेते हैं बैंक से या किसी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से, वो उनके पास जो एक एसेट होता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है, जो कि वो लोन देने तक जिससे पैसे लेता है उसकी तरफ रखता है, यानी कि गिरवी रखता है. सो क्या कहते हैं? वारंटी, कोलैटरल, डेट स्ट्रैप और अ गारंटी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, this is called as a collateral. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns. Suppose आप अपना घर है, आप अपना घर बैंक के पास गिरवी रख के उसके अगेंस्ट लोन लेते हो, तो आपका कोलैटरल क्या हो गया? आपका घर हो गया. Which one of the following is not an informal sector loans for poor rural household in India? तो ये ध्यान रखना बच्चों, कई बार आपके पास क्वेश्चन आएगा, प्लीज टेल दी नॉट इनफॉर्मल. सो यहाँ पे नॉट है मतलब कि जो इनफॉर्मल नहीं है. कमर्शियल बैंक्स, मनी लेंडर्स, ट्रेडर्स एंड लैंडलॉर्ड्स. तो हमें पता है बैंक इज अ फॉर्मल, सो इट इज नॉट एन इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर. सो आंसर इज कमर्शियल बैंक्स. गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिजिटल बैंकिंग. बड़ा इजी है. चेक, डिपॉजिट फॉर्म, डिमांड ड्राफ्ट और एटीएम कार्ड. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप जानते हैं चेक में आपको लिखना पड़ता है, इट इज़ नॉट अ डिजिटल थिंग. डिपॉजिट फॉर्म में भी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा, इट्स नॉट अ डिजिटल थिंग. डिमांड ड्राफ्ट भी printed होता है, that is also not a digital thing. Answer is ATM card. ATM card you just insert and enter your PIN and the money comes out. So answer is ATM card. What are the modern forms of money? Demand deposits, currency, plastic money, or all of the above? And students, answer is all of the above. So if we refer the book, currency, modern forms of money include currency, paper notes and coins. Unlike the things that were used in money earlier, modern currency is not made of precious metals such as gold, silver and copper. And unlike grain and cattle, they are neither of everyday use. The modern currency is without any use of its own. Surrender of notes to the bank by the government by a specific period or currency type and receive new currency notes is called demonetization, digital banking, monetization और banking. Again a very easy, हमें पता है, हमें demonetization मोदी के पीरियड में भी रिसेंटली हुआ था. आपके जितने भी पुराने नोट्स थे 1,000 रुपये वाले, वो आपको जमा करने पड़े थे और उसकी जगह आपको न्यू नोट्स मिले थे. इट इज कॉल्ड एज demonetization. Money lenders usually demand a security from the borrower. What is the formal word used for the security, such as land, vehicle, livestock, building, etc.? तो हमने ये पहला ही क्वेश्चन किया था. द फॉर्मल नेम जो हम गारंटी के लिए जो मांगते हैं, कोलैटरल कहा जाता है उसको. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज कोलैटरल. The facility of checks against demand deposits makes it possible to directly settle payments without the use of deposit slip, cash, मनी लेंडर और अदर फंड्स. वेरी इजी. अगर आप किसी को चेक देते हैं तो आप कैश नहीं देते, वो चेक अपने बैंक में देता है, उसके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो जाता है, तो आप कैश यूज नहीं करते. सो विदाउट द यूज ऑफ कैश. A dash is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name it has been issued. Deposit slip, withdrawal slip, ATM facility or a check. Very easy again students. It is called as a check. Check जो होता है, it's a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount. Who issues the currency notes in India? ये भी बड़ा easy, आपको पता होना चाहिए. All the nationalized bank can issue the currency notes? No. Only Reserve Bank of India can issue currency notes? Yes. Currency notes are issued by Finance Commission? No. Any individual organization can issue? Very impossible. So answer is only Reserve Bank of India can issue currency notes. RBI sees that the banks give loans not just to profit-making businesses and traders but also to self-group people, cooperatives, all of the above, or small-scale industries and small borrowers. Answer is students, RBI sees the bank gives not only to the profit-making businesses and traders but also to the small-scale industries and small borrowers. If you will refer the book, it says here the Reserve Bank of India sees that the banks gives loans not just to profit-making businesses and traders but also to small cultivators, small-scale industries, and to small borrowers, etc. Periodically, banks have to submit information to the RBI on how much they are lending to whom, at what interest rate, etc. What eliminates the need for the double coincidence of wants? Money, debit, credit or barter system? Very easy. हमने पहले MCQ में पढ़ा था what is a double coincidence of wants. So answer is money eliminates the need of double coincidence of wants. Dash refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or services in return of the promise of future payment. Options are credit, debit, cash transaction or trade. And so it's very easy. It is credit. Credit है, it is an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money. उधार देता है. Which one of the following is not a modern form of money? Coins, precious metals, paper currency or demand deposits. Very easy students, it's precious metals. हमने पढ़ा था modern form of currency or modern form of money are those money which have no use of their own. For example, the precious metals have own, they can be used. सोने को पिघला के आप use कर सकते हो. It's precious metals. At present, which form of money is increasingly used apart from paper money? तो यानी कि कैश के अलावा आजकल कौन सी ऐसी फॉर्म ऑफ मनी है जो कि ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रही है? प्लास्टिक मनी, मेटलिक मनी, commodity money or all of the above? Very easy students, हमको पता है credit card, debit card. These are all plastic money which is getting the higher usage now. So it's plastic money. Identify the formal source of credit. Traders, cooperative societies, landlords or money lenders. Very easy again students. Traders, landlords and money lenders are informal. Only the formal source of credit in this is cooperative society. ये दोबारा आ गया है. Currency is issued in India by, very easy, options are nationalized bank, commercial banks, regional rural banks or Reserve Bank of India. Answer is Reserve Bank of India. What came after grains and cattle as a medium of exchange in India? Currency notes, value for land, barter system or metallic coins, gold, silver and copper. And students, after the people were using grains and cattle as a medium of exchange in India, the phase came where metallic coins like gold, silver and copper became as a medium of exchange. Which one of the following is not a formal source of credit? Very easy. State Bank of India is a formal source. Commercial bank is a formal source. Cooperative bank is a formal source. Employers are not a formal source. Interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the terms of credit, warranty, debt trap or a guarantee. And students, इसका आंसर है it is called as the terms of credit कि किस terms पे आपको उधार मिल रहा है. And students, this brings to the last question, although it's a repeated question. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That keeps me motivated. I'll be publishing the part 3 and part 4 very soon. So last question, I think it's a repeat and was used in the first part also. An agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or service in return for the promise in future payment refers to credit. Thank you students for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life.